In this video, I want to demonstrate the use of a palm nailer. Now, a palm nailer is a pneumatic tool, meaning it's driven by air, that's used to drive nails. Now, it's not a nail gun though. A nail gun is great at driving nails very fast and when you're doing your framing, but they're kind of big and bulky for certain jobs, and they're also just not exactly precise as far as where the nail enters the wood. So when you're doing something like driving or installing hurricane clips, where you have to drive a nail right through the hole of the metal hurricane clip, a nail gun just isn't suitable. It's hard to line it up to where it'll get exactly through that hole, and then also you're driving it usually between rafters, and getting a nail gun up into where between the rafters just isn't always practical. So normally the fallback for a hurricane clip would be just using a hammer. But if you happen to have one of these, then this makes the job a lot quicker. Now, we would consider this a unitasker because we don't hardly use it at all on the job site. It's really just for that specific case that I was giving you, but it's only $30. And so if you're doing one house, $30 probably not worth it. But when you're doing multiple houses, definitely $30 is a good spend. So as I said, a palm nailer is used to drive nails, and so how does it do that? Well, inside this little sheathing that kind of pushes in, there's a little hammer that's going to fire as soon as this gets pushed all the way in. So you take your nail, and it's magnetic, so you can actually rest it in there. Then you put the nail exactly where you want it and just push down. So you can see if you had a lot of nails to drive, this could make quite a bit of a difference.